Imagine watching routine tank training footage and realizing it hints at a much bigger shift in global military power. What looks like a normal exercise might actually be a preview of how future wars could be fought. Stay with me, because what the Chinese army is doing with these tanks tells a much larger story than most people realize. Recently, the People's Liberation Army Ground Forces 71st Group Army was seen deploying Type 96 main battle tanks for driving and maneuver training in China's eastern regions. On the surface, this looks like standard preparation, but the location and the units involved have drawn serious attention. The 71st Group Army operates under the Eastern Theater Command, a formation that plays a critical role in scenarios linked to China's most sensitive strategic directions. This group army is built around 6 combined arms maneuver brigades, and 4 of them are heavy armor units. Each brigade controls 4 combined arms battalions, giving the formation strong flexibility and firepower. Among these, the 2nd, 35th, and 178th Combined Arms Brigades rely heavily on the Type 96 tank, a vehicle that has quietly become the backbone of China's armored forces. The Type 96 first entered service in the late 1990s, around 1997, at a time when China was rapidly modernizing its military. Its design benefited greatly from technology transfers from post-Soviet defense industries during that decade. These influences helped China close major gaps in firepower, protection, and fire control systems. Over time, more than 2,000 Type 96 tanks were produced, making it one of the most widely fielded modern tanks in Asia. As warfare evolved, the tank did not stay frozen in its original form. Most of the fleet has since been upgraded to the Type 96A standard. This version features additional modular armor, improved fire control systems, and modern thermal imaging that allows crews to detect and engage targets in poor visibility and at longer ranges. These upgrades kept the tank relevant even as newer designs entered service. China did introduce more advanced tanks after the Type 96, most notably the Type 99. Production of the Type 96 reportedly slowed in the mid-2000s and ended near the close of that decade. The Type 99, however, was never built in similar numbers. While it earned a reputation as China's most formidable tank design for many years, its high cost to procure and operate limited how widely it could be deployed. One major reason for this was strategic reality. China's primary security challenges have long been assessed as coming from the air and the sea rather than massive armored clashes on land. As a result, there was less perceived need to field very large numbers of the most expensive cutting-edge tanks. Even so, the Type 99 fleet has recently been upgraded to the Type 99B standard, and this has fueled speculation that the Type 96A fleet could also receive another round of modernization to extend its service life. For a long time, analysts believed the Type 99 represented China's peak in tank development. That assumption changed dramatically in September 2025 when the Type 100 main battle tank was confirmed to have entered service. This was not just an upgrade or evolution, it marked a clear shift in how China views armored warfare. The Type 100 integrates optical, infrared, and radar sensors into a single networked system. It is connected directly to aviation units, artillery, and electronic warfare assets. Rather than operating as an isolated vehicle, the tank acts as a node inside a larger combat network. Crews can share and receive battlefield data in real time, allowing them to detect threats, coordinate strikes, and react far faster than traditional armored units. Another key change is philosophy. Instead of relying mainly on heavy armor, the Type 100 emphasizes active protection systems, situational awareness, and data dominance. Its lighter weight and unique internal layout are designed to maximize crew survivability, especially in an era where drones, loitering munitions, and precision strikes dominate the battlefield. This design approach is widely seen as better suited for modern and future conflicts. These developments have important implications for units under the Eastern Theater Command. Type 96A brigades from this command have previously taken part in exercises simulating operations on Taiwan Island. Given the sensitivity of such scenarios, it is increasingly likely that older Type 96 tanks will eventually be replaced in frontline roles by the newer Type 100. The Type 100's reduced weight and smaller size could make it easier to transport, including in scenarios where tanks would need to be moved rapidly across sea and air routes. Its potentially lower operating costs compared to the Type 99 also make large-scale deployment more practical. In any such scenario, the Type 100 is expected to hold overwhelming advantages over the M1A2, M60, and even older M48 tanks still in service with the Republic of China Army. As newer tanks move forward, the Type 96 is not expected to disappear. Instead, these vehicles are likely to be reassigned to lower priority units, replacing even older platforms such as the Type 59 tanks that still serve in some formations. This allows China to modernize its force across the board without wasting proven equipment. What we are really seeing is not just training footage or tank movements, but a glimpse into how China is reshaping its ground forces. From mass-produced upgrades like the Type 96A to highly networked designs like the Type 100, the focus is shifting towards information dominance, integration, and adaptability. This evolution reflects how future wars are expected to be fought, not just with armor and firepower, but with data, connectivity, and speed. Subscribe for more updates and comment me to show your opinion.